Have you ever wanted to make a payment to your Sprint bill online? Well, now it is easier than ever. Go to www.sprint.com/make a payment and log into your account. Once there, you can view your current bill statements and recent changes such as payments, adjustments, or charges to your bill. Ready to pay your bill? It's easy. You can choose to either pay the full amount of your latest statement or choose a different amount to pay. The payment date defaults to today's date. Need a few extra days? No problem. Just select the calendar icon and choose an available day which works for you. Once you decide on your payment date, select your payment method to continue. You can use an existing payment method you already have saved or select Add a Payment from the drop-down menu to add a new one. Once you've filled out the payment amount, date, and method, click Continue to process your payment. If you choose to enter a payment amount other than the total due, you may get an alert message. Select Yes to continue or No to go back and make a change. Now you can review your payment on the screen. If you need to make changes, select the Back button. Otherwise, click Authorize to complete the payment. From there, you are finished and you will be redirected to a confirmation page. It is important to note that if you have autopay set up for your Sprint account, making a payment before that date will cancel your autopay for that billing cycle. Still have questions? Talk to a Sprint representative by selecting the live chat option available on Sprint.com and in the My Sprint app. Sprint is helping make it easier to make a payment to your Sprint bill online.